Deadbug tuck. You're gonna use a light weight, 10, anywhere from 5, 10, 15, 20 pounds, 25 if you're strong. You don't need much more than that, because as you extend overhead, it gets much harder than when you're bringing it back in the middle. You can hold that weight pretty easily close to your knees. The hard part is when you extend like this. When you extend, you want to keep your abs crunched in. So the position that you're in here, when everything's crunched together, you want to hold from your shoulder to your hip, you want to hold that as you extend, so you don't extend and arch your back. All right, let's do it.